how to fix sound quality in Google Meet apps. So, hello friends, once again welcome back to Android Tips YouTube channel. So friends, in this video I'll be showing you about how to fix sound quality in Google Meet application. So friends, before we get started, I would like to request you all to please make sure to subscribe this YouTube channel, and please hit the bell icon to receive latest videos notification from Android Tips, and please help us to grow more. So friends, I'll be showing you how to fix sound quality in Google Meet. So friends, sound quality sound quality means clarity. So to get clarity in Google Meet while we are on meeting, to get clarity, the first thing which comes in our mind is internet connection. We can only get sound quality or clarity of sound from internet connection. Your internet connection should be good as well. But sometimes even after we have a good internet connection, but still we have a bad sound quality, then I'll show you how to fix with this problem. You just need to go to Play Store and then search for Google Meet, and then you have to update the Google Meet application. If it is asking for update, please update the Google Meet application. So friends, after updating the Google Meet application, your problem might get fixed. You may get a good sound quality in your Google Meeting application. So friends, that's it. I hope you understand this video. The only option will be to update the Google Meet application. So in update the Google Meet founders, managers may fix the bugs of sound quality. So you will find a good sound quality in Google Meet application. So friends, that's it, and thanks for watching this video.